Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with TJ. What I have for you today is just my, monthly channel update. Just wanted to share my thoughts on the channel, how it's going and things like that. The first thing that I wanted to share with you guys is just thank you for all the support and things like that. My channel is growing at a faster rate than what I thought, to be honest with you. I thought by now I would have maybe 80 subscribers and I'm at like 170 something. So I appreciate all you guys for subscribing. And if you're not subscribed, please consider that. I guess another thing I wanted to talk about too is just I want to make my videos a little better. So I've been learning a little more video editing tricks, things like that. So, if you guys notice maybe a different quality or different transitions, and pretty much I'm saying if I mess up in a video and it looks terrible, that's because I'm trying something new and some things, just don't work out and they're hard to do. So I apologize in advance if something like that ever happens. But yeah, I guess also my goal is to hit, 200 subscribers, maybe even 250, and hopefully start getting some like brands sending me stuff to review. I really like doing these tech reviews. I enjoy that a lot. A lot of these I think are very cool. I have some cool ones coming up for y'all to see. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm just working on the home lab setup. I didn't forget about that series. I'm still working that out, figuring out how to do it, making sure that everything I say is correct, things like that. But yeah, trying to think of anything else. Just like I said, this is just a quick update to let you guys know how the channel is, what I plan on doing, and if you have any comments or questions, whatever, leave them down below and I'll answer as fast as I can. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.